Let's watch this video.
It's true. Hey, babe, Anita, you know, Mama Kiru told me that you were here. I told her it's a lie that you went to church, the new church. You told me you were going this morning. Is this the pastor?
Excuse me. Do I know you? What are you talking about? Do I know you?
Yeah?
I don't know you, Mr. Man.
Anita.
What is it now?
You don't know me, your husband.
How can I know a dirty pig like you? I don't know you now. If I don't understand, maybe he's one of these beggars. I don't know. Maybe he needs money. Yes, I don't know him.
Who is a beggar?
Are you not a beggar? Mr. Man, I don't know you now. What's up? What are you talking about? Which one is husband?
You are rejecting me in front of him.
Oga, I'm not rejecting you. Do I look like a married woman?
Yes.
Oga, respect yourself. Oh. Respect yourself. Oh. I don't know you. You don't know me. What's your problem? Babe, this guy is embarrassing me now. I don't understand. How can I be a wife to this stupid?
It's okay. What do you want?
If you ask me what do I want to choose,
babe, please, let's leave this place. I beg. You're embarrassing yourself, not me.
I
don't know you, Mr. Man. Go.
Let's go.
Continue.
What kind of nonsense is that?
Nobody should beg me. I married Uncle. Uncle, see, hello, Uncle. I don't want to insult you because of your age. This woman rejected me in front of the whole people. In fact, she rejected because of another man, another small boy. Looking at it, I might be saying, "What this idiot?" She rejected me. See, she's going home. Nobody should beg me. Don't beg. I will cut this call on your ear. Nobody should beg me. That's what I'm. Uncle, she's back. You are going to see her tomorrow morning. Where are you coming from? See, as I'm looking at you, just fall like that and go back to where you're coming from. You should be ashamed of yourself.
You want to spoil business for me, Abi? You want to spoil business for me?
Business?
Fear!
Do fear. So this is the kind of business.
Have you seen this kind of money before? Oga, have you seen this kind of money before? Yeah. Do you have this kind of money? You are there running your mouth. Look at it, it's done. Smell it. Smell it.
It is smoky.
Can you afford this money?
Alright.
Talk now, start shouting. Beat me now.
He gave you everything.
There is more. This is money.
Right.
And you say I should not deny you. I will deny you 100 million times. With this, guy.
Poor man pick a crowd. I know the last comment of a fool.
Look at it. This is dollar. With this now, tell me whatever thing you want.
I want this fancy title.
Poor man begin.
With my money. With my dollar. With my dollar.
Thank you.
Call Omonana.
No, the idiot I just cut call.
I thought you said you will call Omona.
For what?
You are shouting outside. Omona will hear this. Omona will hear this.
Marriage is for better for
go
worse.
back?
No, go back. Hey, William. So he gave you all this thing.
I'm telling you.
How?
Even sent more money to my account.
Children.
I'm telling you.
Go inside.
Hi.
You reject me more. I reject me. My baby girl.
Oh yeah.
Reject me more.
Pack the money.
Deny me more.
Pack the money. Should I go back?
Go back with. Inside and talk. For where? It's not your business. Jesus, one person gave me this one. He doesn't look into it. Where is he getting this one? One person. Wait, the door is locked, okay?
Lock it.
Let me take.
Now here is.
Hi.
Follow me.
You know, when Mama Kiri told me that, I told him that I told her that my wife is a good woman. Very stupid woman.
She's mad.
Yes.
She's what?
She was mad. I will block her now.
Exactly.
Hi. Jesus.